Happy Monday with Sip and Cook
with M&N.
Cheers.
Cheers. Easy Monday?
Easy Monday. And for today's Easy Monday, we decided to do breakfast edition.
I love breakfast.
Who doesn't?
I can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but that's too much.
A couple of days ago, we realized that not everyone knows how to make pancakes a very easy way.
Yes, I know there's tons of recipes for pancakes, but Natasha here found the easiest way to make pancakes. And let's say you have a getaway with your family or friends, and you have kids that would like pancakes. So, what is the best way to make pancakes with minimum ingredients?
People that maybe might not have kids but enjoy going to restaurants and having pancakes there also might find it useful.
I know I would. I mean, I don't have kids. She does.
So let's begin.
Hey,
Cheers.
let's start. So what we have here for you,
So basically this is the main
bread?
ingredient.
Crustillas. Oh my gosh, I can't even pronounce it. Can you?
I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I think it's so easy to memorize just the look of it. It's
Yes.
blue, it's pretty, it has some pancakes as a picture. And make sure, because it has different kinds, so make sure you get light and fluffy buttermilk.
Yes.
That's my favorite, that's the best.
So Natasha found this actually, and out of all the brands that we tried, we love this one the most. And you can find it in Costco.
You will also need some milk
We're using the 2% milk.
and I like to add a little bit of vanilla extract.
And I know maybe you're thinking, what do we have oranges for? Me too, actually.
It's just to complete this delicious and easy breakfast with some freshly squeezed orange juice.
Yum. It's gonna be a delicious breakfast. I'm excited.
Me too.
Once again, for this easy recipe, you will need a pancake mix, milk, vanilla extract, a bowl, and a whisk.
And I'm gonna let Natasha take over because I am not the best pancake maker. I'm the best eater, maybe.
So Marina, let's do it together. Let's put
Okay, how much of a mix do we need?
let's put 1 cup of the mix. Okay, let's measure 1 cup. And you can add water, but I prefer milk.
So with water, it would be even less ingredients. So we're gonna add 1 cup of 2% milk.
Yeah. And we just add the vanilla extract. Just a little bit, tiny bit, just for some flavor.
Maybe like a half a teaspoon.
Yeah, and mix it, just whisk it.
Feel free to add more pancake mix if you like fluffier pancakes.
So this is a pretty good mixture, but if you like your pancakes to be fluffy, then I would suggest to add a little bit more to make it a little bit thicker. Okay,
How much more did you add?
1/4 of a cup. Okay, let's mix it again. As always, we need to heat our oil. We'll have to use olive oil.
The kind that can be used for cooking and grilling. The oil has to be heated, but pancakes will be cooking on medium-low.
Once the oil is heated,
Measure about 1 tablespoon of the mixture. Now you can close the lid and wait for about 2 minutes, maybe 2.5. You can see that they're kind of ready by lots of bubbles on the top.
okay, time to flip it. It's been about 2 minutes, right?
And you can see the sides kind of got golden brownish. It's time to put it down. Oh, look at those triplets. So cute. Look at that color. It's beautiful. So we have here not just pancakes.
These are the bite-size, smaller size pancakes, like mini pancakes. But another option, of course, you can make regular pancakes.
They turn a little bit brownish, golden brownish, and then you can remove them. Yum, 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 yum.
Let's make bigger pancakes. A little bit of oil. Last time. For bigger pancakes, I'm gonna use a bigger spoon.
This scoop measures about half a cup. After pouring the mixture, close the lid, also for about 2 minutes.
It's been 2 minutes. Yeah, see how it looks like? Let's flip it.
That looks pretty good. Let's go for another minute and a half.
Yep, it looks fluffy and perky.
Yeah.
And the last one is ready.
Oh my gosh, it looks so yummy.
To complete this yummy and easy to make breakfast, I will make some freshly squeezed orange juice. Small piece of butter, maple syrup, and that's it. Our sweets lovers are about to do the tasting.
And it's tasting time!
Yay! So I'm
Good morning.
All right, so I am excited to dive in. I've been smelling and watching how Natasha is making it, so now I can finally taste
All that butter.
it. Look at this. Look at the fluffiness of the pancakes.
And that butter.
All right. Oh my God, it's so fluffy and Natasha. You don't even need all that syrup that I poured. It is absolutely delicious.
It's tasty.
Perfect breakfast, quick and easy with minimum ingredients.
I'm so happy you like it.
It's seriously, it's absolutely delicious.
So everyone should make it
Like it.
and
Subscribe.
I'm gonna try the big one.
Are they different?
what do you think?
I mean, one is mini, one is big. Go huge or go home, right? Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that layer of fluffiness. Oh. Why are you laughing? It's a lot fluffier. Because it's bigger. Oh my gosh. She's right. It is like a cake. Oh wow. It's so good. Oh. Whoops.
Marina, it went quick.
All the pancakes.
What happened?
Freshly squeezed orange.
Like and subscribe.